All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a Mackie Captain in Zirc here with me for a review, and I hope you really like it, guys, because it's pretty cool. So, check always underneath the box. Look at this. You get a fancy little envelope with some stickers, a couple rods, extra bearing, and a pretty cool Mackie pendant right there. So we're gonna put neatly everything back like so. All right, and just cover this with the foam and just check out your toy. So this is the Captain CPT Mackie in zirconium blasted. It's a spinner clearly, right? Just spinning, and you're gonna be like, Fab, what's going on? Yeah, that's just a regular spinner, right? Nothing going on, nothing fancy. So yeah, no, you're wrong. This is fancy. This is a multi-fidget toy. It's a slider. It's a clicker slider, and it's a spinner. It's gorgeous. It's a great idea. I really appreciate when the makers are going the extra mile trying to design a multi-fidget toy, because you can grab the spinner person, that is somebody, and the slider person, which is somebody else, or maybe the same person, the clicker person, which might be the same, or and again another person. So you can have a wider audience, and these are spring-loaded slider. I don't know if it's spring-loaded actually or magnets. Kind of feels like spring. I never disassembled this one. I should. Actually, these are magnets. There you go. Magnets right there. So scratch what I just said. You can disassemble this guy pretty easy. I never done it, but right underneath here, you can see that the Captain is a limited edition of 150 made. So what does it mean? It means that this thing is not available anymore. First of all, this is gone. It's sold out. It's not going to be made again. You want this, you're out of luck. You cannot buy this anymore. It's over. You can only get it secondary on the secondary market. And actually, sometimes on the secondary market, when things reach like grail status of very, very cool fidget toys, they might be more expensive than the drop price. So be mindful of that. If you like a toy, just grab it right away, because if it gets popular and if it's a limited edition, you're not going to be able to snag that to the same with the same price at the same price. You're gonna spend a little bit more. Anyways, here we have this pretty cool engravings, markings, milling going on. 2 slots, 4 treats per side. It's a very cool thing to have. And guys, the sound, very good. Do you have enough grip to just click it away? And of course, like spinner, it's like very effective, because I mean, you can't just miss it. This fella, let's hear on the table. Yeah. Not too loud. It's not loud in the hand. So now you see this speed right over here, but of course it's not like that. It's spinning much, much faster. It's just a refresh rate. But anyways, here you go. It's a pretty cool one, guys. It's a unique spinner because you have these retractile, extendable arms. I don't know how to wings. I don't know how to call them, but they are cool because they are recoiling back, and you can just spin this thing in your head like a regular spinner. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.